morning. Hope everybody's well this morning. Today is April 15th in our devotional. And today it says bottomless energy. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 28 and 29. Do you not know? Have you not heard? The Lord is the everlasting God, the creator of the ends of the earth. He will not grow tired or weary, and his understanding no one can fathom. He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Acts chapter 3, verse 20. Times of refreshment will come from the presence of the Lord. Romans chapter 12, verse 11. Never be lacking in zeal, but keep your spiritual fervor, serving the Lord. Philemon chapter 1, verse 20. Refresh my heart in Christ. Colossians chapter 1, verse 11 and 12. May you be strengthened with all power according to his glorious might, for all endurance and patience with joy, giving thanks to the Father, who has qualified you to share in the inheritance of the saints in light. Colossians chapter 1, verse 29. To this end, I strenuously contend with all the energy Christ so powerfully works in me. Psalm chapter 23, verse 3. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. And at the bottom, it says, research has shown that a high sugar snack won't necessarily increase your energy levels. Sometimes you think something is good for you, while the opposite is in fact true. People often tend to draw their energy from relationships, their looks, or what they have achieved, while it is actually just adrenaline rushing through them. Energy is found in your secret place, at the source of all energy, during a wholesome meal, or when we rest in God. And we should rest in him. He is our source of everything. I know I've said this all the time. I say this quite a lot. He is my everything. Everything we get comes from him. You get up in the morning, he gives you sight to see, ears to hear, energy to get out of the bed. No matter how we feel, strength. He gives you air to breathe. Thank him for all these things that we kind of take for granted. We take for granted when we go and turn the faucet on that we're going to have water running. We take things for granted. He gives us everything. He provides every need, even to the air we breathe and the energy to crawl out of bed every morning. He gives it all to us. Thank him for everything that he gives you each and every day. But I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. And I hope you all have a very, very, very blessed day. If I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. I love you guys.